Let's have a look at the Linx Eden. Linx has really been stepping up their game lately, and TVape wanted to show you exactly how the Eden works. Let's get into it. Inside the box you'll find one Linx Eden, one USB-C cable, 3 extra glass mouthpieces, 3 silicone mouthpiece covers, 3 replacement screens, 3 lava plates, and 1 cleaning brush. The first thing you'll want to do with the unit is sterilize it. To do that, press the power button 5 times rapidly to turn it on. Then triple click to get to the highest temperature, which is red. Then let the unit sit and run through a full cycle. The Eden has a 5-minute auto shutoff, so after it turns off, turn it back on and repeat this process 2 more times to complete the sterilization. This will get rid of any of the manufacturing oils that may have gotten inside of the unit as a result of putting it together. To load your unit, first remove the mouthpiece by unscrewing it. Use your Zeus scoop to load your flower into the funnel. Then replace the mouthpiece and you're ready to go. The Eden has 4 temperature settings. Blue is 360 degrees Fahrenheit, green is 380, yellow is 400, and red is 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the fire button 3 times rapidly to cycle through the temperatures. Once you have selected your temperature, the Eden will begin to heat up. It will vibrate and the light will go solid when you're ready to go. To wrap this up, I'd like to tell you about some of the key features of the Linx Eden, which make it such a great vaporizer. The Eden has convection heating, an excellent flavor because of it. The chamber itself is 4 millimeters away from the heater, and the hot air is pulled over your flower. It heats up in about 30 seconds, and no matter what temperature you are on, it delivers great, tasty vapor every time. The Eden features lava plates, or concentrate pads, for it that allow you to use it for concentrate as well. This addition allows the Eden to be versatile, and it works well with wax and flower. The Eden has USB-C charging, which is perfect for any vaporizer. It takes a very short time to charge and holds the charge well. It's just another thing that you don't have to worry about when you use the Eden. The Linx Eden is a great unit for any connoisseur that wants good convection vapor every time. And that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. If you really enjoyed it, hit subscribe. If you think I missed anything, if you'd like to see a different How It Works video, throw it down in the comments below. Until next time, my name's Alex, and for all you connoisseurs out there, keep vaping.